Hello, my name is Thomas Basombe. I'm a penetration tester at InfoSight Inc. and welcome to our YouTube channel. In the previous YouTube video, we spoke about Kerberoasting from Linux, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to perform this same attack but from Windows. This attack, a little bit of a recap on how it works and why it's important, is that this is a lateral movement and privilege escalation technique which will allow a user to target SPNs, which are service principal names, and the end result is that the attacker will obtain clear text passwords of a user account. Now, to perform this attack via Windows, an attacker will not only need to have domain credentials to perform the attack, but the attacker will also need to have RDP access to a Windows machine. Not only will the attacker also need to have remote access, but will also need to be able to upload a tool to that machine and run it. So any antivirus tool will pick up this attack or will prevent this upload from happening. So the attacker will need to bypass the antivirus for a successful execution. In this lab environment, the Windows host will not have antivirus enabled. That's why it'll be successful. But the tool we're going to be using to perform this is called Rubius. And let's head right into the technical demonstration now. As you can see in the technical video here, what we're doing first is opening our RDP access to this Windows host. Like I said, the attacker already has a set of domain credentials to perform this attack. So this is the RDP access session initiating. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you here that if we go to the tools directory, and this is a lab environment, so there are already a variety of tools here. But like I mentioned, the attacker will need to somehow upload the tool we're going to use today, which is called Rubius, into the the Windows host, in order to perform this attack vector. So the tool that we need, Rubius, is here in this folder. So we're going to be opening a PowerShell session. And as you can see, this prompt was not open as administrator because administrator access is not required to perform this attack. And what we're going to do is that the machine that is going to be vulnerable to this attack is going to be with the SAM account name SVC underscore VMARESSO. And what we're going to do is, instead of, if you watch the Kerberoasting from Linux video, instead of enumerating and printing out every available ticket or hash that the tool can give us, what we're going to do is target this SVC account and only get the hash of that user. So we're only targeting one SPN and getting one hash back. And that is what this looks like here. As you can see, we have the SAM account name, which I already said. We have the service principal name, which in this case is the domain VMware. The domain, which is inlanefreight.local, and the SPN is VMware. And the important part here is the hash. And this is the hash here that we, like I said in the beginning of the video, what we're going to do is crack this hash and get the clear text password back. So what we're going to do is copy this, and then we're going to open a file on our Kali Linux host, which is our attack operating system. And what we're going to use is the tool called Hashcat, which is a password cracking tool. And we're going to attempt to crack this hash. And this is going to take a few minutes here, but after we give it some time, as you can see, this is what it looks like when the hash is successfully cracked. The session, like I said, is hashcat. The status is cracked. And here is the same hash that I showed you earlier from Rubius. And here at the end, after the two dots, is virtual01. This is the clear text password. So now we've successfully used Rubius to get this user's hash, and we've successfully cracked it via hashcat. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our channel. We have additional bite-sized videos like this. Every video dedicated to delving into attack and how they work and how it looks like when it's successful. Thank you.